This Maintenance Minute is sponsored by AutoValue. Visit us online for more information.
Andrew Markell, today's Maintenance Minute. We're talking about belts, and I got 5 tips to help diagnose and resolve a belt noise. Tip number 1, remove the belt. Removing the belt is the only way to see the belt in its entirety and see damage like this that may be hiding behind another pulley or a belt run. Number 2, twist the tensioner. Take the tensioner and move it back and forth. It should move freely and it should not be notchy. If it is notchy, it's a sign that maybe the dampener inside is damaged and it's no longer working to dampen the movement of the arm. Therefore, you'll get more belt flutter and you'll get more noise. Number 3, get in the groove. Pull out a gauge and measure the depth of the groove, because the second that the belt wears out and the groove gets bigger and wider, it's no longer able to grip the pulley and you'll get some slippage, and that causes noise too. Number 4, spray it down. Take a water bottle and spray certain areas of the belt to remove some of the friction and some of the noise. By doing this, you can isolate either a worn idler pulley or something wrong with a pulley in the system. Number 5, check alignment. There's a lot of great tools out there where you could check the alignment of the belt with the laser or other similar things to make sure that the belt run is even and perfect. I'm Andrew Markell. Thank you very much.